Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you: transparent 3.4A dual USB charger port. Hey everyone. Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're taking a close look at the transparent 3.4A dual USB charger port, a sleek, modern charger that promises high performance. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. As we unbox this charger, the first thing you notice is its unique transparent design. You can actually see the internal components, which is pretty cool. It's lightweight yet feels sturdy. Inside the box, you get the charger itself and a user manual. Now, let's dive into its features. This charger boasts a 3.4A total output distributed across two USB ports. This means you can charge two devices simultaneously without sacrificing charging speed. One of the ports offers fast charging, which is great for when you're in a hurry. Another standout feature is its safety. The charger has built-in protection against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting. For those who worry about their gadgets, this adds a layer of assurance. The transparent design isn't just for show. It allows you to appreciate the craftsmanship and understand a bit about how the charger works. It's a unique touch in a market filled with similar-looking products. We tested the charger with a variety of devices, smartphones, tablets, and even a power bank. The fast charging port significantly reduced charging time for compatible devices. For instance, my iPhone reached 50% battery in just about 30 minutes. Using both ports simultaneously, we noticed a slight dip in charging speed, but it was still reasonably fast. The charger remained cool to the touch throughout, which is a testament to its built-in safety features. One minor downside is the lack of a USB-C port, which might be a deal-breaker for some users, especially as more devices move towards USB-C compatibility. Comparing this charger to others in the market, its fast charging capability is on par with leading brands. However, where it really stands out is its design and safety features. For example, compared to the Brand X charger, the transparent charger offers more visual appeal and similar performance at a lower price point. However, if you're looking for USB-C compatibility, you might lean towards Brand Y, albeit at a higher cost. Ultimately, it boils down to what you value more: aesthetics and safety features, or the need for a USB-C port. To wrap up, the transparent 3.4A dual USB charger port is a solid choice for anyone who values both style and substance in their gadgets. Its fast charging, dual USB ports, and unique design make it a standout product. While the lack of a USB-C port is a drawback, it still delivers excellent performance for most charging needs. If you're in the market for a reliable, visually appealing charger and don't mind the absence of USB-C, this charger is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching our review of the transparent 3.4A dual USB charger port. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more tech reviews and unboxings. Have any questions or want to see a specific product reviewed? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Feel free to customize this script to fit your style and presentation format.